Real estate is the next biggest destination for diaspora remittances besides family support. And there's a very, very strong desire by people in the diaspora to own homes back at home. And land and houses in decent neighborhoods back at home are also expensive and beyond the reach of very many people. So many people in the diaspora have found themselves owning land in remote places with no electricity, no water and other necessary public utilities. And their dream of owning a home just keeps being pushed further and further away. Besides that, real estate investment and the desire to fulfill your home ownership dream has been one of the biggest traps where people have found themselves being conned. I read somewhere they were saying that if you put 300 people in the diaspora in a room, at least half of them have been conned, and it has been related to real estate. So home ownership is an aspiration for very many people in the diaspora, but an aspiration that has been very elusive for a long time. So in this particular video, I really want to be addressing how can someone in the diaspora own a decent home in a decent neighborhood back at home. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. A decent 3-bedroom house in Nairobi costs about 20 million shillings. And the big question for anybody in the diaspora, how do I put together 20 million shillings together? And for me, I would highly recommend, this is where you have to leverage on the services of a wealth manager. Just approach a wealth manager and set a target of, let's say, 20 to 30 million shillings. And you will agree on the returns, and then in a period of time within which you must be able to accumulate your 20 to 30 million shillings. So assume 5 years from that point in time, you have your 20 to 30 million shillings. Then you move to the next phase, which is the phase of deploying your money. And here there are 2 ways you can deploy your money. Number one, you could deploy as an individual. With 20 to 30 million shillings, you can be able to buy a decent apartment in Kileleshwa, Kilimani, and other respectable neighborhoods in Nairobi. Alternatively, and this is one that I highly recommend for people in the diaspora, people should just come together. People in the diaspora should just come together and put their money together. For example, if you are 10 people, and each and every person is contributing their mobilized capital of about 20 to 30 million shillings, we are talking of 200 to 300 million shillings. With 200 to 300 million shillings, you can be able to buy a piece of land in a decent neighborhood and build up a very decent neighborhood for yourselves. And when you come back home, you can also be able to enjoy not just comfort, but also the just neighbors who are familiar to yourself. And these are people who you've spent many years together abroad. So this is my 2 cents of how people in the diaspora can be able to own a decent home and in a decent neighborhood back in Nairobi or back at home. So if you don't own a home yet, I highly recommend please walk to one of the wealth managers in your local home. If you come from Kenya, there are 27 fund managers. Nabo Capital is one of them, and we're in the business of mobilizing savings and helping people to build up sizable capital. And the wealth manager will help you to put together your financial plan and also mobilize that capital within a particular period of time, earning a particular return. And then I would also encourage you, please look for other people like yourself who have a similar problem, and you think that you wouldn't mind to live in the same neighborhood as them, and bring them together, maybe in a club, investment club or chama, whatever you might find suitable for yourself. And then when that capital is together, we should be able to actualize your dream of owning a home back home. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has opened your eyes on how you can accelerate your plans to owning a home back at home. And if you want to speak to us, please feel free to write to us or call us, or write to us also engage us on the social media platforms, or even visit us at our offices, International House, 5th floor, whenever you're in Nairobi. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.